Some old guy told me about the secret spot where they jump in the boat before they get caught. You won't find a more perfect day. Life is too short, hey, what do ya say, Joe?
I'll be right over with the truck and the boat. She's a little leaky, but she still floats. I'll pick up the beer and the worms and the grubs. We'll stop at Ralph's for Italian subs.
We're going fishing, we just can't wait. We love the smell of stinky bait. Leaky boats, waders too, a cooler full of ice cold brew. Reel 'em in, watch 'em flop. I love to fish, I just can't stop. When this fishing trip is through, I bet I'll have more fish than you. I bet I'll have more fish than you. This road is rough and we're beating a truck. Bug to the axles in 3 feet of muck. 2 flat tires and just 1 spare. Riding on the rim, but we don't care.
We find the lake and we see 'em jump. We push out the boat and I trip on a stump. I hooked the big one.
In a cocktail bar, when I met you, I picked you out, I shook you up and turned you around, turned you into someone new. Now 5 years later on, you've got the world at your feet. Success has been so easy for you, but don't forget it's me who put you where you are now, and I can put you back down too. Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when you say that you don't need me. Special and to find. You think you change your mind? You better change it back or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh.
I was working as a waitress in a cocktail bar.
You and I in a little toy shop, buy a bag of balloons with the money we've got, set them free at the break of dawn, till one by one they were gone. Back at base, box in the software, flash the message, something's out there, floating in the summer sky. 99 red balloons go by.
espera que llegaré. Mi fin de trayecto es tú.
Boats and hoes.
Para vivirlo los dos por ti. Volaré por cielos y mares hasta tu amor.
Boats and hoes.
Los ojos por fin, contigo viviré.
My thoughts were short, my hair was long, caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan.
There it is, Rock. Higher. Oh, deep. Higher.
Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.
My dues, time after